This video is going to walk you through how to create a very simple Prezi. I'm going to do mine on pandas. The first thing you want to do is log into your account. You're going to create an educational Prezi account, which is free. Use your PIT email address. Once you log in, you'll be on the Your Prezis page where you have the option of creating a new Prezi. My Prezi is going to be on pandas. So first I want to gather the materials I'm going to use. I'm going to use about 3 different blocks of text. I'm going to put in a couple of videos, and I want maybe 3 different pictures. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a folder on my desktop to hold my content. So new folder, and I'll just call it Panda Prezi. And this is where I'll save my images and any text I want to use. Since this week we are just going to be working with using the tool, I'm not really concerned that you come up with your own original content. You can copy and paste content. When you create your final Prezi for your final project, that will be all your own words. So no copying and pasting there. But here, for just learning to use the tool, copying and pasting is fine. So we're going to find some text that we can use. We're going to find some images we can use, and a couple of YouTube videos. Okay, so back to my Prezi page. This is where it's all going to happen. Let's gather our content. First of all, I found a couple of websites. I used Google and found some sites on the giant panda. So I'm going to take some of their information. This is the WWF, Worldwide Wildlife Federation's giant panda page. There's a bunch of different stuff I could choose from here, but I'm just going to use this quote right here. So I need somewhere to save my text. I'm going to go to the Start button, All Programs, Accessories, and then open up Notepad. And the reason to use Notepad is because you already have it. You don't need to have Word. And also, when you're copying and pasting from the web, it gets rid of all that formatting, so we don't accidentally get a bunch of weird formatting on our page. And I'm just going to copy this paragraph about the panda being the powerful symbol of species conservation. So I'm going to highlight it and copy it, go to my Notepad page and paste it. So that will be one of my text boxes in my Prezi. Another page I found was from the National Zoo. And I'm going to use, let's see, how about the order, family, and genus and species of the giant panda. So I'm going to copy that and paste that into my Notepad file as well. That will be another section of text I'll use. And then finally, let's put in let's just keep it simple and put in some information about the habitat of the giant panda. Alright, so if I paste that in my Notepad file, I've got 3 bits of text to use in my Prezi. Okay, now in addition to text, I want to have some images and I want to have some videos. So I've also done a Google search for panda, and I've chosen the images. So I'm going to pick out 3 different pictures of pandas that I will save and use in my Prezi. And speaking of saving, let me go to my Notepad file, since I've picked out my text that I'm going to use, and I'm going to save this file. So save as. I'm going to save it into the folder I created on the desktop, Panda Prezi, and I'm just going to call it Panda Facts. That way I don't have to keep looking up these websites if I lose my text. I've already got it saved somewhere. So I'm going to pick out 3 pictures to save as well. This is a good one. So I'm just going to select it, choose full-size image, and then right-click to save the image. I'm just going to ask, where do you want to save it? I'm going to save it on my desktop Panda Prezi folder. And the file is called Panda. Save. Okay, let me go back and get a couple more images. Scroll down. Let's get a picture of a couple of pandas. Let's see, try something like Panda mates. There we go. Either of these would be good. Let's do this one. Full-size image. And save it. Make sure it goes in my Panda Prezi folder. Alright, and then lastly, let's get a baby panda picture. So, panda baby. Okay, and pick any of these very, very cute pictures. How about this one? And I'm going to save that image as a Tumblr picture. I'll just leave the file name as is. And it is in my Panda Prezi folder. So I've got 3 pictures. I've got 3 pieces of text. And now I want to use some videos as well. So I'm going to go to YouTube and search for Panda. And you want to keep your videos short. So I'm going to look at the timestamp. Some of these are 3 minutes long. I know there's one of a panda sneezing that is very short. There we go, 16 seconds. So all I have to do is select that. I don't have to view it right now. You can preview it, of course. But what I'm interested in is the share button that gives me a URL. This is what I'll be using to embed the video in my Prezi. Alright, that's one video, and then there are some other links to other pandas. There's a panda babies that we'll use as well, but for now we'll start with just the one.